Proven health benefits of sage. Sage is a popular herb known for its distinctive flavor and aroma, but it also offers a range of potential health benefits. Keep in mind that while there is some scientific evidence supporting these benefits, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of sage's effects on human health. Here are 12 proven or potential health benefits of sage. 1. Antioxidant properties. Sage is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, and other compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some compounds found in sage, such as rosmarinic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Cognitive health. Sage has been traditionally used to support cognitive function and memory. Some studies suggest that sage extracts might have potential benefits for cognitive enhancement and Alzheimer's disease management. 4. Digestive health. Sage tea or extracts have been used to aid digestion and alleviate symptoms of indigestion, gas, and bloating. 5. Antibacterial properties. Sage contains essential oils with antibacterial properties that may help combat bacterial infections, both internally and topically. 6. Diabetes management. Limited research suggests that sage extracts might have a positive impact on blood sugar levels, potentially aiding in diabetes management. 7. Oral health. Sage's antibacterial properties may be beneficial for oral health. It's sometimes used in mouthwashes and dental products for its potential to reduce bacterial growth and bad breath. 8. Menopausal symptoms. Some studies indicate that sage extracts might help alleviate menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats, possibly due to its estrogenic effects. 9. Skin health. Sage has been used in traditional medicine to address skin issues like acne and eczema. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties might contribute to these potential benefits. 10. Respiratory health. Inhalation of sage vapor has been used to ease respiratory discomfort and congestion, making it a common ingredient in herbal remedies for coughs and colds. 11. Cancer-fighting potential. Some research suggests that sage extracts may have compounds with potential anti-cancer properties, but more studies are needed to establish their role in cancer prevention or treatment. 12. Liver health. Sage has been studied for its potential to support liver health, including detoxification processes and liver enzyme regulation. It's important to note that while these potential benefits are promising, consuming sage in moderate amounts as part of a balanced diet is generally considered safe for most people. However, individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking certain medications should consult their healthcare provider before incorporating sage supplements or large amounts of sage into their routine. Always seek professional medical advice before using herbs for therapeutic purposes.